Hey guys, today we're gonna be making slime and it's gonna be fluffy. So if you guys want to see how the slime looks like, is this one. It's actually stretchy and cool. I really like this guy. Wait, slimy. Yay, I'm packing. Yay, I'm alive. Thanks for making me. You're welcome. Okay, let's just get started. So first you can I'm using this time. You can use armor glue, but I'm using the play date. Again. This way. Yeah. Shaving cream. Fluffy. Something to mix and something to mix with. Okay, the white ones work better. So you want to get this kind. Yep. Let's just get started. First, you're going to pour your glue in. It feels like seems like I'm eating this. This is so satisfying. Like I'm putting it through in this bowl. Don't take me away from my bed. Oh my gosh, that's my home. Don't make me do a slime. Now, second, we're just going to shaving cream. Shake. I just want to shake. Shake it off. Oh. Now just mix. And you guys see it's coming to be a slime. It's getting slimy. Toy. I already have some in here. Okay, I think that's a little something. Just add more. No. I had too much. Put a little there and mix it. Oh my gosh, can you guys see this? It's coming to me. Slime. Just put it a little, just trying to do it. Remember just to put think this kind of works better. Okay, it's called the cooking mix. I just want to show you guys so you guys don't have to like get tired. So this is the coconut milk, and I can't believe it. And oil spicy. Okay, so it's a body lotion. Yeah, you can get any body lotion. Yeah, it's actually good. So let's just watch me do this. Oh no. I'm gonna make it with this kind of slime. Hey, look. You guys see? I'm gonna put this one in here so you guys can see it. See? This is still here, right? No. I'm gonna put this one out. No, did you just be stretchy already? Oh no, it's not stretchy, so I just put some lotion. I just want you guys to know that I'm not lying. You see? This is the lotion. Okay, this is how it turned like. Oh my gosh, let me mix them together. Okay, ready? Boom! Okay, now I just need more lotion. And again, lotion. Okay, let's get this video to 100 thumbs up. And I hope you like it. And subscribe to my video. And I'm just gonna give you 2 seconds to click the thumbs up button. 1, 2, 3. Have you guys clicked it yet? Okay, now I think you guys did, and you guys are the best. I mean, you guys are the best.